We have interrupted regular programming to bring you this emergency message. This message is being broadcast at the request of the emergency management officials, the National Weather Service and the United States government. At approximately 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a potential earthquake is likely to happen in the Pacific Ocean due to high movement of underwater activity. An earthquake watch has been issued for all of Shrimp Island and the West Coast, including California, Washington, Oregon, Alaska, and all of Hawaii. This is NCKD. We will continue to serve Shrimp Island broadcast. If you are not in this local area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. This is the emergency alert system. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All broadcast stations and cable systems may now resume regular programming.